Welcome my fellow citizens. Today we are on Ruin in Pyro. We're gonna go in a contestant zone to see if we can find the new weapons. Now on most of the servers all the boxes are bugged. They appear after the gun is looted as an orange and then you cannot loot them. So we're gonna see if this is happening today and we're gonna see if we can loot some cool new guns. Let's have fun, citizens. So to access the contestant zone, go here near the medical and then through the market. Whoa, sorry. Here. And then there are more doors here on the left. There's also more entry point, but I love to use this one. Now be careful, these contestant zones will be full of players who are constantly grinding for the cards. We are not going to go to the place where the card is, we are just going to see if we can find the guns. This part is sponsored by PIMAX, the leader in next-gen PC VR. If you ever wanted to experience your favorite game with insane clarity and deep immersion, check out the PIMAX Crystal Light and Crystal Super. Right now, you can unlock exclusive rewards just by submitting proof of your old headset. No trade-in needed. Use my link below to join the upgrade program and get bonus accessories as a gift for my viewers. Step into the future of VR with PIMAX. Links below. Alright, here we are in the contestant zone. We go up to the doors. Oh my god, I already hear explosion. Yep, NPCs are fighting. From here now, you can use your gun. And here we are, main contestant zone. Be sure to reload. The NPCs are here. That's a good sign. Any more? So far so good. Watch out for the players. Hear the shooting of the LMG. That has to be a player. So the players are upstairs. I have to be very careful here. That's an NPC. There was a player there in SD armor. Could have killed him, but I didn't. Hopefully he will have an understanding. Ooh. Hey man, you wanna join? I just want to see if there are new weapons here, or are they still bugged? Okay, let me invite you to the team, just one moment. Did you get invite? Thank you. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. That Karna rifle is devastating, though. Nice work, ninja style. Whoa! Who shot me? What the hell? It's swarm. Oh, there it is. Over there. The player. Probably with the sniper. Never mind. Now, I have to give you one tip. If someone kills you and he tries to revive you. Okay, now I'm dead. If he tries to revive you, backspace before he do that, because he will take your gun. Do that before he revives you. God, look at this. Who's gonna get who? He's trying. Oh. Nice work, mate. Awesome. Thank you. Exactly what I need. A fuse. Okay, this is bugged. So if this is a bug, there's only one way you can do it. You have to take the fuse in your hand. Sorry, drop it. There. Take a tractor beam. Rotate it. There it is. Alright, let's go in. Need to be healed. Dead players everywhere. And NPCs. So here is one of the boxes. What do we have? Just a corner rifle, okay. So the chances is they will appear here. So once I loot this here, it will become like this, sadly. Okay, here. And here we have a new LMG. So it still works. Finally. Okay, got it. Take my new LMG. Yes, sir. Oh, look at this. Looks awesome without bones. I have the version with bones, I don't like it. But this one, ooh, I love. Just look at this. Real nice. Okay. Let's see if we can find more cool stuff. There you have a card printer, if you need a card to open those doors ahead. And only 20 seconds until the next one. Let's take a look around, maybe we can find more boxes that are not looted. Now look at this, this is all looted. Why is it turning into this? I have no slightest idea. But I'm pleased to see that you can still find the LMG. Collect the card. That's it. So now you have two choices. Either go back to where you were before, or just exit to menu, so you don't lose the gun that you already have on yourself. So I'm just gonna do that. Nice, my new LMG. Exit to menu. This is it, my fellow citizens. You can find the guns. You need a little bit of luck and persistence. If you find the orange boxes, sadly someone picked them up, but after 20 minutes they will turn back again in something which may give you the new guns. Anyway, go ahead, enjoy yourself, find a few of them, and hopefully you will have luck as I have. Write me down in the comments if you find any and how good they are to you. I also tested both of them in this video that I'm going to link down below. If you like my video, don't hesitate to subscribe, like and share. Until next video, have fun out there.